In this video, we are going to talk about two important features of Visual Basic. One is breakpoints and another is a command called call. Let us first understand how to set breakpoint. When you set breakpoint, Excel runs the code till breakpoint and stops there until you tell to continue. On your screen in Visual Basic Editor, you can see we have a program written. What I want to run this program in one go till the blank cell is found. But after that, I want to see the program first, whether the program is working properly or not. For that, what I can do, I just simply need to click on this vertical panel just adjacent to the code where we want to stop the program. So let me click here. Once you click on this, the code written just adjacent to it will be highlighted. Now if you run this program by pressing F5, you will see the program runs till this particular part in one go, but after that it has stopped because here we have set the breakpoint. Until I tell to continue, the program will not continue. So if you want to run the program in one go, press F5 again, or you can press F8. So let me press F5 to continue the program. Just see that. If you want to remove breakpoint, simply click on this once again. Now what I want to stop the program where this program will cut the data from sheet 2. So let me click on this particular part. Now simply select this particular data, cut this and paste it to sheet 2 again. Now click on this program and run this. Blank row is found. Okay. Now just see that till this particular part of the program has run in one go, but here because of the breakpoint the program has stopped. Now until I ask this program to continue, the program will not continue. Now let me press F5 to continue to run this program. Now if you want to, let's say, put multiple breakpoints, then you need to simply click here. Let's say like this. You can put as many breakpoints as much as you want, and if you want to remove them, you just need to click on this once again and those breakpoints will be removed like this. Now let's talk about the command called call. Sometimes what happens, the program becomes so long that rather than having a 10 page or 15 page of program, we would like to split those programs into multiple programs, and we would like to arrange them in a way so that only one program runs and automatically other programs will also run. So let me divide this particular program into two. So simply after this particular message box we have to put and sub, and this particular program is complete, and for this particular program we need to type sub, let's say 2. So this is one program and this is second program. And now what I want to run the program first when we will run the program 2. For that what we can do, we have to write the code here. Let's say call space first. Now if you run this program 2, program first will run first because of this particular line of code. This particular line of code says call first. Now this particular line of code has been written before the program 2, so this will run first, and after this program is run, this program will continue to run. So let me first see whether we have data in sheet 2. There is no data on sheet 2, so type some additional data here. Let's say Arun, age is 45, city is Noida. Let's suppose this is the same data that we have here. Now click on this program 2 and press F5. If you press F5, what will happen? Due to this particular line of code, program 1 will run, and after running program 1, program 2 will continue to run. Now let's set one breakpoint as well. So click here. Till this particular part program will run, and after that it will stop until we tell it to continue. So press F5 and just see that This particular message box is coming because of this line of code, message box blank row is found. After this, what will happen? This particular line of code, that is sheet2.select, this will run. So click OK and just see that this particular coding has worked because now the active sheet is 2. Now because after this particular line we had breakpoint, so because we had set this particular line as breakpoint, Excel has run till this code and it will not run till the time we tell it to continue. So now let me press F5 again to continue. So just see that on sheet 2 there is no data because the data which was on sheet 2 has been cut and pasted in sheet 3 at the bottom here.